বাহ,
Queries are pooled across all bridge agents that
Very
are set
good.
up for live and extract.
তারপরে?
Right? When you set up a bridge client, you saw that in the screenshot before. You
তারপরে
can
কিছু না?
choose whether
আচ্ছা।
to do live and extract or just extract. For any
Now
bridge client
I
on
know
your
my-
site that is set up for live and extract, it is now part of the live query pool.
Next
and
time?
it can receive that query and service that query at
ও
any
কিছু একটা পড়েছে।
So that's important because that
Oh, I am good.
clients are set up
করতে
for
পারে।
live connections. Right? Obviously, you need
Next
to be
কি?
able to access that
Let's go
resource so that it can serve
বাহ, ভেরি গুড, হাততালি দাও।
encrypted at runtime
হুম।
and you can get it from Tableau Online and then pass it to the bridge client. So that's all there is
এটা
to
হচ্ছে
it.
ধর্মতলা গেছিলাম কালকে,
To any bridge client,
ধর্মতলা থেকে
live
কিনেছি।
connections, and the data source should appear there right away after you're done publishing.
তা পছন্দ হয়েছে?
For extracts, it's a little bit more complicated.
কিন্তু তুমি কালকে শুধু ঘড়িটা পরে ঘুমিয়েছিলে,
Like bridge incidents, like Sanjeev,
তোমার তো জামা কাপড় পরনি তো।
make sure that the bridge has those credentials locally.
তুমি কি ঘড়িটা দিয়ে লজ্জা ঢেকে দিয়েছিলে?
That extract. So it needs those credentials locally,
Huh?
puts them in the Windows Credentials Manager, to go and access those resources.
ওটা দরজা আটকালো
So after I publish that
এমনি।
extract, within
How are
online,
you?
হাওয়া দিয়ে।